Swingful week for gold. 1972.5, 1975 were the zone, was the level. I have mentioned that it is going to provide an extremely good support. Precisely, gold has respected the levels and has recovered and has moved to the upside towards the next resistance at 2048, 2050 before closing the week at 2020 now. Now, what to expect from the coming week in gold, how to profit in simple and easy steps, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the key strategy. Watch till. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest update. I release twice a day update on gold, and I give you the 2 times a day I give you the targets for trading gold. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Watch. Let's start. First we'll look into the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see it has formed lower lows here. Since then it has climbed, it has breached this bearish channel, it has moved on the upside, has found the resistance here at 2040 for 2050 zone, greater resistance. The 2035 40 I had mentioned earlier was a great resistance, and then 2052 it has found the resistance at slightly higher levels here before taking a little dip and a drop towards 2020 levels. Now see what has happened here. It has consolidated here on the 4-hour charts and has given a one breakout candle. If you see next week the price is staying below 2004, possibly the first trading session on the coming week, that is Monday, we may see it dropping slightly. How far it can go? On the downside, the first support levels, now 2000 is going to be a very strong support, and then 1980. Only bearishness in gold is seen if you see it is staying below 1980, else it is to be treated still bullish. Now once it draws below 1980, this time it might breach 1972 and move towards 1960, 1954 levels here. Stochastic has dropped vertically. MACD traded in green. Now at the end it converged, but it has not yet crossed over, and this suggests that possibly the first trading session we may see little bearishness. RSI has dropped as well on the 4-hour charts. Coming to the day, look at the daily charts. See first of all lower lows here, reversal sign, one extremely bullish candle, a swing candle here, and yet see very smaller body. It suggests that on the upside the resistance was strong. The last candle, that is on the last trading session, it has moved and achieved the 20 period moving average. Now 20 period moving average sitting at 2015 has become a greater support, but at the same time one must note that this could be one of the reversal signs. One red candle with a smaller tail on the downside suggests that once the price stays below 2015, we can expect it to move forward towards 2004, 2000, and then can in fact achieve further lows towards 1994 and 1980 levels as well. Yes, if you see gold staying below 1980 any point of time next week, just stay short. We are going to see massive bearishness. Stochastic is rising here back to overbought. MACD is also trading bearish, but as I have shared multiple times, look at the MACD at the peaks here. Yes, this has become the resistance zone. I have mentioned previously as well. See, it is trying to converge, but it is not to be treated as bullish. It is not to be treated for a reversal, and it can continue to diverge more because this crossover has come at an extremely higher levels. It has formed a double top as well. Thus, probably this time it can try to hit the bottom, which means bearishness may prevail in gold. But still, remember, as long as 1980, 1950 zone is not breached in the coming week, remember it can bounce back, achieving lower lows also it can bounce back. RSI was overbought and it has cooled down a bit. Coming to 4-hour chart, coming to weekly. Now look at weekly chart. See why it could possibly bounce. See, first of all, the preceding candle was a swing candle. It has closed in, and what we can expect, see if you connect this, you will find higher lows are seen here. Thus possibly for first couple of days we may see slight bearishness, taking the prices little lower towards 2000 or 1990 or in fact 1980 levels, and from those levels a recovery can be expected where the prices can continue its journey on the upside. We may in fact see higher highs and higher lows, that is what we can expect, or lower highs and higher lows is what the second expectation from the weekly charts. But yes, see, 3 bullish candle, couple of retracement candles, then bullish candles, then retracement. Higher lows are seen here, higher highs are seen here. Thus we have to watch out. Possibly it can show the bullish momentum continuing here. Stochastic has dropped. Now look at MACD. first wave, second wave, it is looking upwards, it can continue to stay bullish. RSI is comfortable. Coming to the month, now look at the monthly chart. See two bullish candles here. It has scaled to the all-time high levels here, record high levels here. And since then, we have seen it showing a pullback. Right now, what it has done, it has formed higher lows as well. And that is why I say these levels are very, very important. As long as 1950, 1960 levels are respected, the chances of a recovery will be very, very strong. And what we can expect, even if it tries to show pullback, we may see a closer of the month with a doji where we can see prices coming towards this zone here at 2040, and these levels are going to remain important. Somewhere here in this zone it may try to close the month. Now we have, see, before the Christmas vacation and the New Year vacations start, where the movement will be slow, before that possibly it can try to show the major move here and try to come back to this zone. Even if it tries to climb up, it can come back again towards 2040, 2060 zone, or even if it stays on the downside, it can come back towards this zone again. So be watchful here. We are expecting a doji or indecision candle in this month. Stochastic is rising, looking upwards. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bullish, looking upwards. Also look at the crossover in MACD as lower levels after a strong bearish move suggests that the bullishness might continue for a while from here. RSI is staying flat. So now is the time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy such that you can profit trading gold next week. But before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 28th batch is announced. It is going to be planned in January. Register yourself now itself. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details or visit my platform www.forexfunda.com. Yes, you can also reach out to me via Telegram or email, but all the details related to the batch are answered there on the platform. Also, do not miss to join the tomorrow's webinar where we are going to discuss what to expect from the markets. Yes, this weekly webinar takes a holistic view of indices, commodities, and currencies, and also I take up your live questions there, so do not miss to join. Also, this comes with an add-on benefit of 2 live consultations with me. So join the webinar series and consultations package. Visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. Now, and yes, if you want to learn or if you want to trade as per the signals, join my signals channel on Telegram. Now let's talk about where to buy. I will only recommend you to buy here at 2025 levels, at which you can expect 2032 first resistance, 2040, 41.5 the next resistance. I have mentioned this on my daily charts every time, and the candles, none of the candles close above this zone. Then the next resistance is beyond this. I will look forward to 48, 2054. See, on the upside now the resistance are getting very, very near. 2060 the next, and after this I will look forward to 2071, 2085, and then 2100. See, now on the upside, movement is going to be possibly with the greater resistance on the upside. We have to be very, very watchful here. It can try to reverse, maybe towards from the midweek or towards the end of the week. We can see it reversing strongly. On the down, I will recommend you to sell here at 2014. Expect, see, 2008, 2010 as the first support zone, very, very strong support. Below this, we can look forward to 2000. See, 2000 this time is a psychological support and it is going to play a major role. And then we can look forward to 1994, 1991. On the downside also, see, previously the gap was little higher. Now the support levels have come very, very close. After this, we can look forward to 1981 and then 1972. Now, once 1972 is taken, you can say little aggressive bearishness can be expected, where we can look forward to 1960, 1954. Now, this is the level below which you can say the bears will take over, and we can look forward to 1940-36 zone. But I expect even if it stays in, as long as it stays within this zone 1950-72, remember towards the end of the month we can see it possibly recovering and closing at around these levels here. Be watch. Gold can again show you the swings. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar series. All of these details are available on my platform www.forexonda.com and on my free Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.